In this video, we will show you how to replace the LCD and digitizer for the iPhone 3G and 3GS any gigabyte. Warning: this will void your warranty. You are performing these tasks at your own risk. These videos are meant for informational purposes only. Thank you. You will need a mini Phillips screwdriver, possibly a case opener tool, and the way we open it is with a tiny suction cup. First thing you'll do is take out the two tiny screws on the bottom of the iPhone 3G or 3GS. Use this screwdriver because it is a magnetized screwdriver and it helps pull the screws out once they are undone. Once these two screws are removed, you will take a small suction cup and place it towards the bottom of the device. You may have to use a case opener tool if the device you're opening up is too cracked to be able to get a suction on there. Gently open the casing towards the bottom. Be careful, because up at the top of the iPhone there is 3 connector cables, which I will gently open and undo and show you now. The top one is the LCD connector cable, which I have undone there. The second one is the digitizer cable, which I've undone there. You can gently pull those two open. Be careful not to break any of the ribbon cables. They are gentle. The third one is a snap up. You snap the white portion up towards the bottom, and then you'll be able to slide the number 3 cable out. At this point, you will not need the bottom of the iPhone any further for the LCD or digitizer replacement. The next thing you will do is you will remove the 6 mini screws, 3 on one side, 1 along the top, and 2 on the other side. For video purposes, I will set that aside and grab one that's already had them removed and show you how to remove the LCD. At the bottom, you will see a small notch. This will be on the bottom right side. You will gently separate the LCD from the frame and then pull up on the notch. If it sticks at all, just separate a little bit more and continue to pull out. You will see there's your LCD. Nice. And then you have your frame with your digitizer and glass attached. At this point, you will separate the glass from the frame and reattach. You can purchase these parts from our website, phonetraderonline.com, or you can send them to us and we will repair the device for you. Again, I'll put a post in the link at the bottom. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. We'll look forward to hearing from you and helping you any way we can.